大家好, здравствуйте. 我中文名字叫巴赫，来自吉尔吉斯斯坦。
In 2010, Rainbakova came to Yinchuan, northwest China's Ningxia Huai Autonomous Region to study Chinese at the Ningxia University. 1 year later, she married a Chinese painter. Influenced by her husband, Rainbakova developed a strong interest in painting. She likes to paint based on inspirations from traditional Chinese stories, operas and wood carving.
那么我在中国传统文化里面，包括在中国学到新的文化故事等等，我每一次用这种画画的方式把它记下来，所以我可以很自信地说，我不仅是可以用中文表达，也可以用俄语表达、英语表达，也可以用画画一样能自由地去表达。
In 2014, Rainbakova began to work as a teacher in North Minzu University. She teaches Russian to local students in Ningxia and gives lectures on Chinese to international students. Having lived in China for 12 years, Rainbakova is deeply impressed by the country's remarkable changes.
2010年来中国，那时候也就是没有几个高楼，但是现在第一年变化确实，我也很荣幸能亲自来中国，感受到这一个城市的变化，也感受中国速度。中国越来越开放，中国越来越自由了。